In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact QuickBooks support. Whether you're dealing with a technical glitch or just need a bit of help navigating the software, reaching out to QuickBooks support can be a lifesaver. So, let's dive right into the steps you need to follow. First, you'll want to navigate your web browser to the main QuickBooks website. It's important to ensure you're on the official site to keep all of your information secure. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the page and click on the Sign In button. This will take you to the login page where you are required to enter your email and password to sign into your QuickBooks account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one to proceed further. After successfully signing in, direct your attention again to the top right hand corner of the page. Here you'll find the help icon. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to getting the assistance you need. Once you've opened the help section, type the phrase "I need to connect to a live person" into the chat or search bar. This immediately signals that you're looking for direct human assistance beyond the automated help features. Once you've done this, you'll see an option to contact support team. Click on this link. Sometimes QuickBooks might ask you additional questions through their automated chat to clarify what kind of help you're looking for. If prompted to elaborate further, you have the option to reply with no to the chat if you're certain about connecting directly to a representative. At this point, another prompt will usually appear asking if you still need help. Click on "No, I still need help" to confirm your request to speak to a live representative. Doing so will give you another chance to click on Contact Support Team. Now that you're almost there, the final step is to choose how you want to reach the QuickBooks support team. Options may include a phone call, a chat, or possibly an email, depending on what QuickBooks currently offers. Choose the method that suits you best, keeping in mind the availability and response times of each option. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to getting the QuickBooks support that you need. Remember, if you're running into any unexpected issues, it never hurts to try refreshing your page or revisiting each step to ensure nothing was missed. Good luck, and may your QuickBooks issues be resolved swiftly.